In this video, I'm going to show you how to write a unique article that can be monetized on Medium platform using ChatGPT. Medium is a platform that pays users for writing articles, sharing experience, poem, stories, your thoughts, especially your personal experience. This is what the platform is all about. You get paid for doing that, and there are a lot of writers making money on that platform using AI to write this unique article. Now, Medium made it in such a way that you are not supposed to monetize AI article, and you are supposed to disclose that the article is being written by AI. The reason is that Medium doesn't really value AI article. They want you to share your real-time experience. So even if you've written with AI, you are supposed to disclose that the article is written with AI so that people can be aware of it. The reason why Medium don't monetize AI article or hate AI article is that AI article mostly they are generic, and AI articles don't have human experience. They don't really share personal thoughts. But I'm going to show you how to manipulate this ChatGPT and use it to your own advantage. For those of you who don't have that time to start writing article from the beginning or spending hours on just one article, in less than 5 minutes you can use this ChatGPT to write something unique. ChatGPT can even help you share your own experience better, and that is why this video is for you, and you are definitely going to monetize this article without getting penalized. I've been using this for a very long time and it has been working for me. So without wasting time, let's get down to business.
So first off, we are going to head on to our Chrome browser, and you can see I'm currently using the desktop version of my Chrome. So I will go to my ChatGPT, I will search for ChatGPT and then click on the first link, as you can see. Then once my ChatGPT has opened, the next thing I need here is my prompt. I will need a prompt that will help me to write out this article, and then I already have a custom prompt for this. If you need this prompt, comment below and I will send you this prompt or the link to get this prompt. I'll put the prompt in this video description for those of you that needed this prompt. So I have this prompt saved in my Google Docs titled Medium prompt, but here I'm going to use prompt 1. I have another prompt 2 which is the best of all, but I'm going to make it for those that subscribe to my channel and probably for those that join my membership, because that is the best of all. But I'm going to show you the prompt 1. So I will now copy my prompt 1, and then I'll copy my prompt 1 and head on to my ChatGPT and then paste my prompt here. So that's that. And then what I need to do next is I needed a story, people's experience, what people shares, even my own. Like this is using ChatGPT copying other people's story. Now, so I will go to Quora. I will search for Quora here on my dashboard, Quora, and then I will now proceed to Quora, and then there I will click finance. You can see this is finance, and then when I clicked on finance, okay, this is the finance section. I will scroll and look for somebody's story. Quora is where people share their stories, experience, and what they think about something. So here, let's look at what this person have said about money. He said, why is money better than assets in the world? So the person share his thoughts about why money is better than assets in this world, and the person posted it on the 20th. So we are going to be clipping from here, and we are not going to post directly. We are lifting from here, and then ChatGPT is going to modify it for us. So what I'll do is I will not take the title so that everything doesn't look the same. So I'll copy the text here, and then I will copy it and head on to my ChatGPT, and then here let me put a column and then paste it. I will now paste it here, and I will hit go. So now ChatGPT is going to analyze the write-up and then rewrite it for me in such a way that it's perfectly fit, and I'm going to use for my Medium blog. So ChatGPT is currently doing its work. We'll just wait a while and while it writes it. So now you can see ChatGPT has written the article for us, and then the next thing we need to do is to use the last prompt, and this last prompt is to get our title. We are going to ask ChatGPT to give this article 5 unique titles. So I'll copy this prompt here and then paste it on my ChatGPT for 5 unique titles. There we are going to coin our title from it. So while ChatGPT is doing that, I'm going to my Google Doc, because most of my articles I do write them in my Google Doc. So I will go to my Google Doc and then open a new folder for this article, and then I will head on to my ChatGPT and then copy the first article that was written by ChatGPT and paste it in my Google Doc. Here I will paste it here and then edit it before I take it to my Medium. So I'll wipe this downside. This attachment is probably irrelevant, and then this upside here I'll wipe it, and then next I will highlight everything and justify so that it looks neat. Once I'm done, what I need now is the title of the article. So ChatGPT has generated some title for us. You can see why wealthy people go broke, the hidden danger of liquid asset, rich on paper, broke in reality, the cash flow crisis no one talks about. I think I will go with this, rich on paper, broke in reality. So I'll copy that first. I'll copy all of that, rich on paper, broke in reality. So when I copy it, I'll head on to here and then paste it. Now, one thing about Medium is that it has title and subtitle. So what I'll do is that when you have a kicker and a title part like this, most people know you use ChatGPT. So I'm going to make one the title and then the other one the subtitle. So this rich on paper, broke in reality will now be my title, and then this cash flow will now be my subtitle. So this is how it's going to look like, and then I'm going to read through it and then format it accordingly. So I'll read through some few paragraphs and then fast forward it. And you know that the minimum words we can write is 200. So you are going to check your text and then see the word count. You can see that we have 342 words. So we surpass the 200 words minimum. That's the acceptable words on Medium, 200 words minimum. Though if you are publishing not in publication, you can write less than 200 words. But if you are writing in most publication require you write up to 200 words. So we have 342 and we are good to go. So now we are going to read through it. I'll read through it very, very fast and make necessary correction. Now let's see. I recently crossed the 50 years marked, and over the year I've seen quite a few wealthy people broke in reality. So now one of these I've noticed among most of them is they all had assets, real estate, stock, valuable work, and other high value property. On paper, they were rich, but the moment they needed actual cash, immediately they ran into trouble. So you can see that what I'll do is that Medium is a platform that is highly optimized. So at every full stop here, I'm going to click enter. So I will look for the next full stop and then click enter. This will make our test much more spacious, and then even if somebody is hungry, the person can read through it quickly and get the basis of the writing. Now imagine visiting an article and you are being greeted by words of text. Some persons tend not to read. So one of the things that make people not to read much is when the text are jam-packed and they are being greeted by words of text. So we have to space it out, and that is why I've spaced it out. And then when you're done like this, your article is ready, and the next thing you need to do now is to head on over to your Medium. I'm going to search Medium here, and then we are going to put in our article and then do the final formatting on Medium. This is my Medium page. I'll click on write, and then I will now copy this my article from here. I will highlight everything and then copy it and then put it on my Medium blog. I will paste it here, and now you can see my articles is ready. I will copy this and then make it as the title. I'll go to the title here and paste it here. Then the space up here, I'll close that space and then make it as my subtitle. You can see my title and subtitle, and then you see how it's very free on Medium page. And then there are some key things we can just highlight. You see these things like this. From my own experience selling things, I have learned a simple truth. If you don't need to sell anything, you are more likely to get a top dollar or even more. So this is where I read from. So now I'm going to put this in form of for emphasis sake. I'm going to put this for emphasis sake. Here said fear expenses and people can smell it. This I'm also make it bold and then italicize. That said, cash on its own isn't perfect either. So here press enter. If you just stash money under your bed and inflation eats away its value over time, it's literally losing purchasing power just sitting there. So we can also look for other places. Say on paper they were rich, but the moment they needed actual cash, immediately they ran into trouble. So this is one of the major points. I can also put it like this. And that's just all. So what I need to do now is to click on publish, but before publish I will add it to a publication, and then before then I will need to give it my image. For the I'll add image, and I'm going to use splash, but then I will need this rich. This is a key 10, and then I will click here, click my splash, and then paste my keyword that rich, and then search across and probably look for one luxury pictures. They are rich on paper but broke in reality. So let me look for a luxury. Let me see this, and then I can now add it to publication. I will look for add to publication. Let me use Readers Club or No Time, and then I'll select. In fact, let me change this publication to have a lot of publication. Write your word. I will select and then submit. I'll click on submit. Here I cannot reward this for now. But if you want to paywall it, you click on paywall. For the purpose of this video, because this video will go viral and a lot of persons will see it and my account may get sanctioned, but this is how I do it. But so for the purpose of this video, I will not paywall it now. So here I will put it's about money. It's about money. Money mindset. Money mindset. Money management. Money management. And then let me put my reach. And then reach. And I can even copy this, my rights award, and then put it there too. I'll put my rights award here. I'll copy this and then copy, paste, and then I will now submit. So I'm done, and this is how to do it. It's as easy as this.
So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to use the second prompt. I use both of them interchangeably, but the best of all is this second prompt. I'm also going to show you the kind of articles that perform very well on the platform. It's not just about going and start dishing out article like that. There are some articles that perform very well on the platform that is going to increase your engagement and definitely going to be a good turnout revenue for you. So stay tuned. If you are new to this video or you are coming to my channel for the first time, do click the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. You can share it with your friends for them to also benefit. I am OCHE'S Emmanuel and welcome to OCHE'S Tech. Thanks for watching till this very moment.